Hey guys, welcome back to another Real Fatty video. So we're back, now filming portrait mode. Down there, my friends, is a train. Down there's Lickman Road. We are on the secondary of Lickman Road. I'm standing here, watching these go off. Somehow, I perfectly timed it, but I'm not gonna do it this time. Hello, buddy! See, if I went to the downtown one, that would already be passed. Set our eyes on the loco here. Yay! Any second. There they go. Sweet giggly. Finally train one. Sweet giggly gate noise. I'm shivering because it's cold. Long. Let me guess. Short. And then long. Thank you, buddy. I hope he sees this video. Meantime, it's really cold. Why does it have to be cold? Not on a day like this, guys. It's so damn cold. I'm shivering. Look at it. Cold. I want protection. Go, protection, go. Hold the phone like that. Yeah, the middle. It's I think Kansas. Yeah, it is. No, it's a CN. There you go, folks. Sorry I can't hold the camera straight. Blame that on the cold here. It's like, how cold? 17 or something? How cold is it? I was just looking it up right now. Ugh. Yes, do not stop on tracks. It's -5. Isn't that nice? It is so damn cold out here. All the people that live in Canada, you guys know how cold it is in Canada, guys. You guys would know how cold it is. Yeah, there's the end you guys already saw. Yay! Yeah, now I go close up to these gates. Goofy gate, go up. Wow, goofy sound effects. Yeah, there you go. Yippee! Please. Go. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go to a different location. We're gonna go to the downtown one since that one just passed. So we have some time to get there. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. There's doggies in that truck. Woof woof. Blinker. Okay guys, I'm here at the other part. I came just in time because there's legit another train. And yes, these are both double gated. Train's getting closer. Moving insanely slow. No light down there, but there's light here. It's not active though. Okay, eyes on here now. Okay, we got this set of lights and those set of lights. Cop. See, I told you. He goes somewhere after the train leaves. Good job. Squeaky gate. Squid Games. Okay, we got some lighting. I wonder what is it gonna be? Yes, there's noise coming on the tracks now. What they do. So if I trade, could I keep only one? Oh no, I thought it was maybe it's different. Again, it is -5. You're making me like cold. Fine, I'll go back here then. How about that wind? How about that wind? I thought I saw it again. It's so damn cold out here. At least we got a better view of these guys. Bell? No bell? Nice. No one cares about your loud engine. Wake up the whole neighborhood if you have to. Seriously, where's all the DPUs? Where the heck are these DPUs, man? I miss them so much. There's Bell there. Bell only there. Go right ahead. There's the train. Bye-bye. Second train on video. Let's go. Yeah. Woohoo. I am just a master out here, man. Those lights, excuse me, but those lights won't act. I'll show you. I am walking to this corner of the yard. Maybe they are on, but they're just slim dim on the side. Find out. Oh no, they are active. They're just both red. They are indeed active. For a second, I thought those don't work, but now that I'm all the way over here looking at it, now I do. In daytime, those are really hard to see from the angle, because if you look there, it's very hard to see. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Probably tomorrow or something. Well, next weekend, but bye. One bell on that one, and another bell on that one. These two in the center don't have one, as you can tell by those tops there. So, if you want to build this one in Roblox, please do. I would like to see it. I'll give it a rating. I'll do a video on it. The side lights pointing over here, and then the rest of the lights just basically facing that way, and basically how they are. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Psych! We are at Dollarama, or at Freshco, which depends on what my sister is doing. These guys had the music blasting across the street. By the way, when we stopped for Timmy's, I got an ice cap. Is that right? Ice caps are really good. Open. I'm not too sure if I'm allowed to film. So someone was mad. Okay, I'm going to get my own snacks. Candy. Ooh, what the hell? Ooh, candy. Number 1 chocolate bar in Canada. And might as well. For the boys. Takis. I'm kind of on my mid side. Hey sis, I got a little something. Ooh. Noodle. Nuts. More nuts. Peanuts. I'll get you guys when we're at cash out. Okay guys, I'm in a shopping mall, and if you can see that over there, there's a train. There's a legit train there. See it moving? There's headlights on it right now. It's still going. I'll yell out what train it is. I'm going up here. That's a different car. That's turned on. Oh guys, this looks like the third half train. Third and a half. The other train ended. We went inside of Feshco. Fire department, nice. What train is over there? Move fire department. There's a train over there somewhere. Look behind me, see if anyone. Hello, train. Shut up, alarm. If I could have just gone there by walking, but I'm not allowed. See it? I hear the end? Maybe? I'll say what train it is at the end though. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Ooh, that's a nice Tesla. Nice Tesla. No train. This car's driving next to it too. I hear the end, I hear it. And it is the ending is hard to tell, but I think it was the CN. Just like not the last one, but anyways, subscribe.